Hello everyone, today I will show you how to place an image in a center of a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and I will place this image center of this page. Select home option and here you will find this edit option, click here. Now click on this image and select, and here you will find this align option, click here. Now click on this vertically center. This image now vertically center, and here you will find this horizontally center, and see this image now place middle of these pages. Similar way I will center this one and this one also again. Change it and click this align option and select both, and see this. In this way you can place all of your images center of these pages. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.